Oh no, 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 this is not gonna be pretty. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh no. You. No, please. Hey yo, Wagwan, what's up? This is Xavier. Welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna be watching the Netflix movie that released recently, yeah. It's called Falling for Christmas and it stars Lindsay Lohan. Uh I'm telling you, it's been a while since I watched a Lindsay Lohan movie. And basically that's the only reason I'm watching this, cause well, no, that's a lie. I would have watched it either way, cause I don't know, yeah, around this time, um, disclaimer, this is being filmed in November, but like in December, I usually watch some Christmas movies and stuff that Netflix puts out. So again, I watched Love Hard last year, and the previous year it wasn't a movie, it was a series, Dash and Lily. Yeah, I watched that around that time. I think that was around the time it was released. Yeah, and yeah, so there's some other movies and stuff. I don't remember the name right now, but yeah, just the Dash and Lily, Love Hard. Those are the ones I've watched, and I can't remember the rest right now. But yeah, so being honest, I don't know a lot about this movie. I just know that Lindsay Lohan is in it. This description says, after losing her memory in a skiing accident, a spoiled heiress. I don't know if I've a spoiled heiress. Better. Lands in the cozy care of a Donald's widower and his daughter at Christmas time. Okay, genres romantic comedies, romantic movie. Okay, so as I predict, no, I didn't predict it yet, but as I was thinking in my head, yeah, Lindsay Lohan's character is gonna fall in love or whatever with the truck driver. Oh no, it doesn't say truck driver. Donald's luck. Sorry, my bad. She's gonna fall in love with the guy. There's gonna be some, no, somewhere in the end. Yeah, they're gonna be falling in love. Things are going well, and then, um, something's gonna happen, and then she loses her memory. She gets back her memory, and then they beam they mash up or something, and then get back together, and yeah, so something like that. But we know how it's gonna go, so I can be predicting what's gonna happen is not hard, unless they like just throw a curveball in there or something like that. But you know, like they did with Frozen, where it was the family love instead of like the romantic love that was the linchpin of the solution at the end. But whatever. Let's not get too much into what it should be. Let's just watch it and see what it is. So, let's get into it. Oh, that's nice. They're showing us Lindsay with her name right at the start.
Hi, Miss Belmont. This is your wake-up call.
Chord Overstreet. That name sounds familiar. I've seen it before. I'm probably gonna recognize his face. I'm assuming he is the male lead. Well, yeah, cause his name was second billing, so he should be the lead. Okay, so this is clearly a resort for rich people. Judging by the cars and all of that.
It's just that I don't want to be in the hotel business.
Have you tried telling him that?
Daddy wouldn't understand. As far as he's concerned, this is the perfect career for me.
I'm just trying to imagine what you'd have to wear. Not a name tag, I hope.
Okay, so our family business is Vice President of Atmosphere.
I think he just made it up to give me something to do.
Yeah, definitely.
When people look at me, all they see is the spoiled daughter of Beauregard Belmont, the hotel magnate. And I'm not spoiled.
Really?
Doubt. Doubt.
Oh, is that pleather? Vegan leather. Oh, Dad, help me.
Time for a selfie in a limo. See you soon.
Okay, I love. Hello? Back in action?
No, he hung up.
Something like that.
No.
Let's hack.
Okay, so our family business is hotels. Okay, kind of like the Hiltons. Fair, and that's her boyfriend. Cool.
Falling behind, boy.
Oh, that's her father. Okay, cool.
Better get moving.
And that guy in the blue that we saw, Miss Jake Russell, I think he said his name was. He's the what name again? He's Chord Overstreet. Yeah, his face looks familiar.
I had you there for a minute, but you got
Very
me
familiar
again.
face. I need to look up his filmography before when I do the discussion later.
Oh, hey.
I'm wearing Belmont. Oh my God!
Oh no, not the Valentine.
Okay.
Just kind of weighing my chocolate thing. Is everything all right?
I'm a little flustered, but thank you.
No, she's not talking about you, bro. Sir, I mean he, not she. It was the secret guard that said it. That he was answering.
I think it's time you call him Beauregard. Right, Daddy?
Oh, okay.
Anyway, Bo.
Yeah, answering for him. Yo, brightness that.
Sierra's a venti.
That was confusing.
Belmont was literally the last resort. I mean, if the rest of the season's this way, I don't
We
think
just need a little patience.
what we need is a miracle.
Haven't you heard that? Christmas is the time for miracles. Right, Grandma?
That's right.
Well, I love your optimism.
Yeah, and they're gonna get a miracle at the end of the movie. For sure. That's gonna come back later. Sierra's gonna find it when she's staying in this resort. Yep. Also, that Angel's gonna come back too. I'm assuming that was related to his wife or something like that. I don't know why I'm saying all this. But yeah, it's clear. But whatever. I just hope they do it well.
Have a safe flight. And don't worry about me. I'll be in very good hands. I'll be with Dad.
Those aren't good hands to be in. No siree. That's his fault though. That employee's fault, because why was he standing there? The vehicle's clearly gonna move off. Hey yo, I'm not blaming Tad for that. Not Tad's fault at all.
It's the right time.
Where's your holiday spirit?
Hey, all this weird doesn't mean you sing badly. Hey, let's work on it, please. Let's work on it.
Is this thing safe?
My friend, this fine piece of craftsmanship has served the North Star for generations.
Where's your sense of adventure?
Couldn't be safer.
Yo, something just fell off.
You?
Have a good ride.
Yeah, that's not safe, bro. I would not go on that. No, 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 no. Me, no.
Do you know how to unhook the snowmobile by any chance?
Do I look like I know how to unhook a snowmobile?
I'll figure it out. Okay, snowmobile, unhook.
This man was talking to the snowmobile.
Ah, getting beaten back here! Ooh.
Having fun?
No. Oh boy.
Remember, you only get one wish, so make it count.
Is this guy supposed to be Santa? Huh.
I got you!
I'm slipping!
Hold on!
Okay, well, look at Santa putting her in danger just for this wish. Whoa, both of them are in danger. What? Oh, okay. Like, wait, are both of them gonna lose their memories?
Hey, hang tight, guys.
Is that what's on? Is that? Or are they not gonna find Tad until much later?
Oh, it better not be a dead body.
Stop it, you're freaking me out. Is it a dead body?
Yo, calm down, lady.
You just get your hands off of me? Look, I told you I'm perfectly fine, okay?
Okay, alright.
Ah. She retains her personality, I guess.
What do you mean, who I am? I know who I am. My name is... My name is... My name is...
My name is. My name is. What? My name is. Slim Shady.
Easy. Oh,
Miss,
Shouldn't Jake recognize her? He saw her like literally hours before.
it's up to you, miss. You can stay here, or you can take old Jake up on his arm.
Yeah. Yeah, take the offer. That's not good food.
look, I appreciate everything you guys are doing, but I'm not going to be here for that long. This is just temporary.
Well, until then, you're stuck with us.
I'll show you the way. Okay.
That was cute. Her going the wrong way. Is that the little girl? Oh! No! It was a raccoon.
Can I help get that lure out your face?
What no?
One stuck in your face.
Oh, I see it.
Oh! Oh, that's what that was. That thing was like stuck right in there, right in there.
It was just a dream. What's wrong with this thing?
Okay, nicely done, Netflix. Nicely done.
That's Frankie. That's Wallace. That's Potter. And that's Sarah.
She's gonna take the name Sarah.
Sarah. I like that one.
Okay. Sarah it is.
Sarah it is. Sarah it is.
Sometimes I talk to her picture.
I don't think that's weird at all. I think that's beautiful.
Yeah, that's fine. Nothing wrong with that at all.
Well, Sarah, we just ran out of pumpkin pancakes, but if you'd like, I can make you some eggs.
Oh, please. I'm perfectly capable of making my own breakfast.
Are you sure? I doubt that. I really, really doubt.
Oh, this comes out fast.
Egg?
Thank you.
You showed that egg who's boss.
A little messy.
Yeah, oh, they're a little messy, a little.
And I will take care of all of this.
Okay, good idea.
Yeah, very good idea. You are hopeless.
What's your favorite one?
Something about her. I feel like I've met her before.
Oh, okay. I see why. Because she was in the whole glasses and all that. So I get it now. I see why you didn't recognize her.
Is that your truck?
It's not working.
What's going on with it?
Dead as last night's roadkill.
Horrible visual.
Yes, very horrible. Whatever. You know what I mean.
Oh, I don't eat fish. They are exotic pets in my saltwater aquarium at my condo in Manhattan.
Fine by me. Get your own breakfast.
What am I supposed to do with this?
Hurl it at a squirrel?
Yeah, I'd prefer the fish, please. I'd prefer the fish. Yeah.
We wish you the merriest, the merriest, the merriest.
Hey, now come on. Making a guest do work.
The merriest, you'll cheer. Yes, the happiest, yes, the happiest. We wish you the happiest, the happiest, the happiest.
It's like she's attacking a monster.
Oh, please don't be stuck.
Oh no, this is not gonna be pretty. Oh no.
May your tree be filled with happiness.
Oh no. You. No, please.
Happiness and cheerfulness and friendliness for all.
No, you can't.
The merriest, the merriest, the merriest, you'll cheer. The merriest.
Look how she gonna mash up the people them something.
What about you?
Hey, don't you worry about me. I got big feet. Come on.
Here we go.
Okay. What's going on there? Is Tad?
Sometimes you can't rush things. Just have to take your time.
This is a nice bonding moment.
You remember your mom?
Yeah, I think I do.
Okay, that's good. At least she remembers that. You know, that's something you have to hold on to, so I'm glad she does. I'm glad she remembers that.
I'm sorry.
Great. This is the last thing I need right now.
No, I understand his frustration. Yo, the man is at breaking point, so I get why he's upset. But it was his fault for giving her church to do.
But I have no idea who I am. I can tell you I'm pretty much a useless human. Can't do anything right. You'd think I'd have some sort of skill, wouldn't you?
Oh, come on.
Now, let's see if I can manage to fetch some wood. See you later.
I like that they're making her sympathetic here. She's been so spoiled that she doesn't know how to survive. That's kind of sad, really. But she's rich and cared for to compensate for it, but if she just lose all that, she'd be lost. So, oh no, is she gonna slip? She's gonna slip? I wonder who she's gonna see. No, keep that.
Nah, that's...
Yeah.
You can keep it.
Yeah, please, no. But yeah, I bet she's gonna see somebody at the Christmas market thing. Whatever you was talking about. Yeah. It's either that or she's gonna have a lot of fun here. Something like that.
Wow, what a pretty sleigh.
Doesn't Santa have things to do? Why is he here? Look at this man slacking. Santa is slacking. He should be at the North Pole. He shouldn't be here. Like, come on, bro.
It's beautiful.
Oh, is it gonna remind her of the snow globe she has?
You okay?
Yeah.
You know what? We'll take it.
How wonderful.
It triggered something in her. Yeah.
All right, come on. We don't want to miss the tree lighting.
Let's go.
I gotta say, they look happy together. Lindsay's smile is very good. I like it. Her smile with them, yeah, I like it so far.
Oh, I can't sing.
Who told you that? Come on, it's Christmas.
Oh, that's nice. Oh wait, that is nice. But by the way, Lindsay Lohan can sing. I forgot about that. She actually can sing.
Jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun.
I was so interesting when actors who can sing have to pretend that they can't sing in movies they're in or shows. Huh. So it's always a little quirk that's very interesting to see.
I just wanted to tell you, I don't think I've ever met anyone like you before. Because if I had, I would definitely remember it.
Oh no, you met him before. Trust me.
Good night.
A little spark of feelings.
Good morning.
Oh, that's a nice touch. She's more into it now.
I come to make them.
She learned to make the bed.
The trick is, it's all in the wrists.
No. Hey, yeah, try it again, man.
2, 3.
Yeah. Nice. Not very pretty, but yeah, man, it's a learning effort.
Thanks for staying at the North Star, and Merry Christmas.
You too.
Bye, Sarah.
Bye.
Okay, I can see now how the relationship builds because she's been there for like around a week at this point, well, or close to a week. So, yeah, and they've been spending like all days together. Yeah, it's kind of like Love Is Blind, where like spending so much time together, all that.
Can you put that back in Jake's desk when you're done?
Sure.
Is it she's gonna see the angel and the plans now? The proposal that he was going to make to her father but didn't get to. Oh,
Oh, hi. The drawer was stuck.
Yeah, I've been meaning to fix that.
oh, and we did see that book at the start too. Interesting, cool.
I just don't know what we do around here without Jake Russell. He volunteers, he donates money. I can't even count how many charities he's helped out in town. I just wish that there was some way that Summit Springs could show him how much he means to us all.
That's gonna come back. They're gonna show him appreciation in the end. Oh, Mr. Two.
You are standing.
How uncanny. So, gonna kiss?
You know what? Maybe we shouldn't do this. I mean, what if you're with somebody?
Yeah, that was an excuse for him. That was an excuse. He was making an excuse. Because he's not over his wife, right? That's why. He's not over that yet. He's not healed fully yet, so that's why he made that excuse. He should have, but that's holding him back.
I don't want people looking at me differently. I don't want them thinking I need a handout.
Pride. Prideful.
I'm tired of always wondering how we're gonna make it to the end of the month.
Jake, you can't turn your back on this lodge.
The stress eating them up. The stress is overbearing. Damn, it's overwhelming. Damn.
And what do you know about memories? I mean, you can't even remember your name.
Come on, bro. No. Kinda mean. Come on. Low blow, Jake. Low blow.
I guess I'm just, afraid of making new ones.
Yeah, see?
Even
Fair.
somebody like you.
Fair, like I said, fair. Pride and fear. Those are the things holding them back. You hate to see it.
It's okay to let go.
It really is. You gotta heal. You gotta be able to move on. You can't hold yourself back. You want to, but you can't. It's not healthy. It's not helpful at all.
Time for some tasty beans. There you go.
Oh. Thank you, my friend.
Tad and Ralph have just been hanging out all this time.
Fruitcake. Not very sneaky. Oh.
So cool. So good.
Copy that. Do we have any idea who it is?
Yeah, that's Ralph. Poetry again.
That man is tired of Ralph and his foolishness.
Looks like I'll be calling you Dad.
Hey, congratulations.
Thank you, friend.
Oh.
Wow.
Very nice.
I love your dress.
Supremo. She look good, yo. She looks very good. I have no idea what I was just saying. Yeah, get out of here, kid. They're gonna kiss. Are they gonna kiss?
Hello. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Yay, people came! Nice, I love it.
Thank you guys. Happy holiday. Oh my God. Merry Christmas, guys. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas. Thank you.
Thank you.
Dessert. Merry Christmas.
Man, just shows you the rewards for being good. You get unexpected rewards in the end. You know, like he was just doing it out of the goodness of his heart, and people like him for it.
Everybody, would you please give a big thank you to Sierra?
Ah, see? I knew it, that's when he'd burst in.
Miss Belmont, what are your plans for the future?
Let me answer that by showing you this.
You must be very excited, Mr. Belmont.
Oh, excited doesn't come close to describing how I feel.
Trust me.
Just wanted you to have someone take care of you too. Someone like Sarah.
Oh, that's probably why Santa granted their wish.
Sure it is. You like her, don't you?
Well, yeah, but
Did you
it's
ever
not-
tell her?
No, he did not tell her.
I told you I promised your mother that I'd take care of you. Well, looks like you're starting to take care of yourself.
Yeah, she's making decisions for herself.
The phone is lighting up like Christmas.
You're kidding.
Jake, we're sold out.
Oh, I was wondering, like, why is she keeping people on hold?
Are you breaking up with me? On Christmas Day?
I know.
Yeah.
He'll be okay by New Year's.
Huh.
Wow, damn.
Do you mind if I post about this on my page? To really add to your numbers.
Merry Christmas, Tad. Good luck to you.
Yeah, dude is weird.
Look, okay, I know we barely know each other. You're probably gonna think I'm crazy for saying this.
she's off camera listening to him.
But I can't let you leave without telling you I'm falling in love with you.
Happy Christmas.
He's so happy.
Looking for was in the back courtyard.
Oh, so she wasn't off camera listening. Whoops, got that wrong.
There's this holiday tradition, but I bumped my head on the way over here, and for the life of me, I can't remember what it is. It's
Yeah, I think I can help you out with that.
Yeah. Oh.
What a Christmas, guys.
Yeah, it's one I'll never forget.
Oh, I can be sure that. Wait. Because she lost her memory. Duh.
Told you a place in the lobby. Where are
Oh my god.
Alright, so that was Falling for Christmas. There's not a lot to have to say. Other than that was a good watch. No pretenses here. That was not an amazing movie. It's not like a bastion of superior filmmaking, of amazing acting, of amazing cinematography. No, please, no. It was just a nice run-of-the-mill, good little watch, family. As the description said, it was a feel-good movie, and it was a nice little romantic comedy. Nothing spectacular, but it gives you a little pep in your step, a little buzz, a little chutzpah, a little yeah man, yes. One thing though, I was wrong about the proposal. I thought that she would discover the proposal in the trash, but it was like 4 days, like a week. It was like a week that they were there, so the trash would have been taken out, so she didn't see it. So bad on my part, but the other stuff I was thinking about, most of it that came out in the wash. There was one thing I was wrong about though. That I said it in the thing, so that's there. But yeah, so the angel and that came into play. The book, I missed the book. Yeah, I think that's what I was saying. Yeah, I missed the book. I missed that the book would come into it, but everything else, yeah, I like it. Lindsay, she was good. She was so charismatic. Her smile was so heartwarming and so inviting. That child actress, she did her job well. Props to her. Alright, and I said I was gonna look up Chord Overstreet, so I'm just gonna do that right now. Okay, so I did a little research. The daughter's name, Olivia Perez. Olivia, outstanding job. Cute, lovely. You hit your marks. You didn't you didn't mess up. You were vivacious. You were everything that you needed to be. So big up you, Lindsay. Love it, out of the park. Chord, apparently Lindsay Lohan's I'm assuming relative Alana Lohan was in this movie as a character named Bianca. I don't remember Bianca. What? I don't know. When I'm editing, I'll have to look about that because I don't know. That doesn't bring in memories. Also, the guy Jack Wagner who plays Beauregard Belmont, his face looks familiar to me, but not so familiar because he's been in a lot of soaps and long-running TV series, so I'm sure I've seen him like as somebody was acted against or something like that. Cause I didn't watch any of the shows, maybe like an episode or 2 here and there. So I might seen his face in some kind of video about the show or something like that. So that's why, because his face looks kind of familiar, but not so familiar. So I might have seen it for a glance. So it's not super familiar. But Chord Overstreet, he was in Glee. That's how I know his face, because I used to watch Glee for in the early seasons, and then I don't know, it went on without me. So yeah, I watched the early seasons of Glee, and then just evolved past me. I just cause life got in the way and I couldn't keep up, and then I just never got back into it. So yeah, that happened. That happened with me and a few TV shows. I don't remember which ones, but yeah. Oh, that happened with me with Modern Family, because I was watching it weekly for like seasons, and then that and Person of Interest too. Yeah, and then life just got too much. Oh, and Raising Hope, that show too. Yeah, there's a lot of shows like cause I used to have this thing where I keep track of shows, and then but like I got busy, and then I couldn't keep up with it. So and like stuff went past me. But anyway, that's not the point. So this is a nice family movie. It's a nice one if you're not expecting anything amazing, but you're just expecting something to make you feel Christmassy, or a little bit of love spark or anything like that. Yeah, this is your jam. It gets an approval. Just don't expect to be. Do not expect almost do not expect Die Hard. Not as it because that it's an action movie. It's also a Christmas movie, but also irrelevant right now. But yeah, Die Hard is like great film. It's a great film. That's a beautiful film. Not in terms of like amazing visuals and everything like that. No, it's like beautiful. It's very, that is cinema. But this is not, like someone says cinema. This is not that, but it's Christmas cheer and a little love cheer and a little feel good and big up yourself. Well done everyone who made this film. Thank you Netflix for showing it, and I'm thanking myself for watching it, because now I feel really nice. Okay, those are my thoughts, and goodbye.